Welcome to RV Road Report, the ultimate destination for RV lovers, road trip dreamers, and off-grid adventurers. Today, we're exploring the brand new 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome, finished in a brilliant vibrant red that instantly demands attention. Built on a rugged long body frame with true 4x4 all-terrain wheels, this van blends sleek modern style with real off-road muscle. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a full cross-country expedition, this is a rolling home designed to make the journey unforgettable. Buckle up, this is going to be one impressive ride. Exterior, front view. The front profile is a bold statement of design and strength. Kia's iconic tiger nose grille sits proudly in the center, framed by a polished chrome outline and the instantly recognizable Kia badge. Sharp, full LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights slice through the air, while the muscular bumper and skid plate give it a go-anywhere look. In the showroom, it radiates confidence. The high-clearance stance hints at its off-road power, and the smooth curves blended with sharp edges make it both functional and stylish. Even standing still, it feels like it's already in motion. Topside view. From above, this camper van reveals its full overlanding potential. High-efficiency solar panels line the roof, providing sustainable power wherever you go. A low-profile satellite antenna ensures reliable communication and entertainment, even in remote mountains or desert plains. The roof-mounted AC unit promises all-season comfort, while the aerodynamic roof design minimizes wind resistance for better mileage. Every inch of the roof has been planned for maximum utility without sacrificing the van's streamlined shape. Backside view. The rear design is all about utility and preparedness. The full-size spare tire is mounted securely for quick access in emergencies, and the cycle carrier is perfectly positioned for two bikes without blocking rear visibility. The stylish vertical LED taillights give a modern touch while ensuring maximum brightness at night. A reinforced rear bumper adds extra protection when tackling rough trails, and the wide rear doors make loading gear a breeze. Side view. The side profile shows the van's generous proportions and thoughtful features. An extendable outdoor canopy tent offers shaded comfort for outdoor seating or cooking in the open air. The large tinted panoramic windows not only provide privacy but also reduce glare and heat inside. The side door glides open effortlessly, revealing the spacious living quarters within. The wheel arches are flared for an adventurous stance, making the van look equally at home on city streets or rugged dirt roads. Driving compartment. Inside the cockpit, the design is driver-focused with premium comfort in mind. High-back leather captain seats with adjustable lumbar support make long drives a pleasure. The dashboard hosts an intuitive infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice command. Two crystal-clear LED screens are fitted, one exclusively for the rear-view and side cameras, and another for navigation, music, and system controls. The panoramic front windshield provides exceptional visibility, while the ergonomic steering wheel houses essential controls for safer driving. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the cockpit, the sofa-cum-bed sits at the heart of the living space. In daytime mode, it's a plush sofa for relaxing or hosting friends. By night, it easily folds out into a full-size bed for a peaceful sleep. The high-quality upholstery is both durable and comfortable, designed to withstand constant travel. Overhead storage cabinets keep essentials neatly tucked away, and soft LED lighting creates a cozy evening ambience. Kitchen. The kitchen is compact yet cleverly designed for efficiency. It features a dual-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with a foldable faucet, and a 12V compressor fridge for storing fresh food. Overhead and under-counter storage spaces ensure everything has its place, while a fold-out side table gives extra prep space when needed. This setup makes it possible to cook anything from quick snacks to full meals, even in the middle of nowhere. Washroom. Despite the compact size, the washroom is fully equipped. A space-saving marine toilet sits alongside a fold-down sink, and the integrated shower head makes freshening up on the road convenient. Waterproof wall panels, a vent fan for airflow, and hidden storage compartments make the space functional without feeling cramped. It's proof that smart design can turn even a small footprint into a usable, comfortable space. And there you have it, the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome in vibrant red, built with a rugged long body and 4x4 capability for true all-terrain adventures. With its smart interiors, off-grid capabilities, and premium comfort, it's your ticket to freedom and exploration. Priced at $99,000, it's ready for anyone who wants to make the world their backyard. What's your take on this beauty? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.